Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited today because I'm ready to present you my first product. This is the custom exhaust for the Canon Ryker. As you can see, it's the full stainless steel. It's beautiful. And if you guys are interested, if you like to have one, please let me know because I can probably start fabricating more. And if I'm gonna start selling these, I'm gonna sell them under my company, Xtreme Engineering. So please let me know in the comments below if you are interested in this exhaust. The pipe, it's 50 centimeters from the 40 on the bike, from 50 to 63. This is the exhaust, stainless steel, all the piping stainless steel. These two brackets are not stainless steel. I could probably make them out of stainless steel, but probably it's going to cost more. And this bracket is also not stainless steel, but also if I'm going to change it, it's going to cost more. I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons why you might want to consider this exhaust instead of what you find in the market. First of all, is the price. I'm planning to release these if I'm going to start fabricating them in a small scale, of course. I'm going to release this for around 400 euros or 400 US dollars. But my market mainly is going to be focused on the European market because, as you may know, I left Canada and now I moved back to my country of origin, which is Romania, Eastern Europe. So I'm planning to ship this throughout Europe because for the beginning, if this will work, the shipment it's easier. If it's going to work with the US, why not? So the second reason will be this is super light. It's, in comparison with the factory one, I'm going to actually use a scale and tell you exactly what's the weight of this exhaust. The third reason will be the design of this exhaust is going to be very aggressive. It's something different that I wanted myself. I wanted something extreme. And as you can see, the tips are square. And I really like it so much. And the fourth reason is the sound. I gotta tell you, the sound is absolutely brutal. I absolutely love it. It gives you that Harley Davidson sound. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. So I can't wait to install this so that you guys can see for yourself what's the difference between factory and this one, and how it looks, how it fits the bike, and of course we'll work from there. But yeah, take a look at it. This is the exhaust. As you can see, the pipe is not bad, it's been welded, so that way you have continuous flow throughout. And I'm pretty sure once you're going to see this on the bike, you're going to love it. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'm only going to start fabricating this if you guys like it and if there is interest for it. Enough talking, let's do the installation. So this is 3.4 kilograms. Again, that's it, 3.4. I'm going to show you a trick, guys. I saw a lot of guys struggling to remove that spring from the exhaust. This is super simple. You have to understand physics. Get one of those straps, make it as long as you want, and then attach it to your spring. I'll show you how easy it is to remove this. Touch it right here. Okay, hope that you can see. Go back. Pull. There you go. You don't need any tools. One more. Again, super easy. There is no point of doing a comparison sound between the two because everybody knows the stock exhaust sound. I haven't shown you how to remove this because pretty sure everybody knows how to remove this exhaust. Simply bolt right here, keep the existing plate in place, and this is the factory one. The factory pipe is 40 millimeters and the new one is from 51 to 63. Let's check the weight on this one so that we have a comparison between the two sizes also. Oh, it's really heavy. If you want to see the comparison side by side, you'll notice that this bracket for the factory one is right in the middle. I installed this one right in the middle because I want to have this sticking out as far as I could. Checking the weight on the Ryker exhaust. 6.97, 7 kilograms. It's double. Okay, the exhaust is installed. This is what I really wanted. See these tips like this, are massive. They stick out. Now the sound is going to be incredible. I know the camera is not gonna be good enough for you to hear the sound, but let's give it a try. This is the moment after. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Check this out. Oh my god, that's insane. Unbelievable.
Oh, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I gotta get out. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna ride the bike and you gotta have film me outside.
Please.
Oh
That's
my
crazy.
god. It's insanely loud, isn't it?
My ears hurt. Oh my god. Yo, are you seeing this? It's insane.